while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. Today I'm gonna be doing a period life hacks video. Here you'll find everything you need to know about period hacks. My first hack is to use an app to track your period. I think this step is so important. My favorite app is my Cycles app. You can use a dark color towel that you can easily wash. For more security on your period, wear spandex shorts under leather pants. Now I'm gonna show you an easy solution for heavy flow days. Always be prepared with an emergency kit. If you get your period outside, like when you're in school or college and you have an emergency pad, so what will you do? So guys, I'll show you my trick to solve this big problem.
Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing up our balance? Trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to.
All we have a nice underwears, but when you're in a period, wear period-specific underwear. And I prefer wearing darker colored underwear during my period. Place over top of your bed sheets before sleeping to avoid bloody spots. You can make a special design for sleeping by using a regular bed and make it longer by another one like this. Or you can use this.
In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low?
Finally, you should avoid caffeine and sodium. Stay hydrated and drink more water. I hope you guys enjoying watching. I really hope some of these tips are helpful for you guys. If you have another tips or tricks or life hacks, let me know in comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed in my arms. You're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we